Have you tried everything to get rid of toenail fungus but nothing seems to work? Don't worry, I have a solution. Today we're going to talk about Organic Fungus Nuker, a natural supplement that promises to effectively eliminate toenail fungus and restore the health of your nails. If you're tired of treatments that don't deliver results, this product might be exactly what you need. Organic Fungus Nuker stands out for its 100% natural formula, combining powerful ingredients to attack fungus at the root and promote the recovery of healthy nails and skin. The big difference lies in the safety of its components, ensuring effectiveness without risks. Here are some of the main benefits. 1. Complete fungus elimination. Targets the fungus directly at the root. 2. Healthier nails and skin. Strengthens nails and restores skin health. 3. Natural and safe formula. Free from side effects with carefully selected ingredients. Additionally, users report noticeable improvements in just a few weeks, regaining confidence and better quality of life. Remember, Organic Fungus Nuker is only sold on the official website, and I left the link in this video's description. If you want me to review any other product, leave your comment below. Organic Fungus Nuker is manufactured in FDA-approved facilities, adhering to the highest quality standards, ensuring it's both safe and effective. It contains ingredients like reishi, shiitake, and maitake, known for their antifungal and immune-boosting properties, used in traditional medicine for centuries. Unlike many other products, Organic Fungus Nuker not only provides temporary relief, but also prevents future infections by strengthening the immune system. This comprehensive solution offers lasting results for those looking to eliminate fungus and improve the health of their nails. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest content. Organic Fungus Nuker is a natural solution designed to eliminate fungus and strengthen nails. With traditional Japanese ingredients, it targets the root of the problem, delivering visible results within weeks.